I, Vanshika, student of class 11 from Holy Child School, would like to share my experience at Vishesh Academy of Commerce. It has been a wonderful experience studying here. The faculty has been very cooperative, supportive and innovative. The way of teaching is practical and ethical and tries to improve our weak topics. The tests are conducted weekly based on the topics we covered in that week, which helps the students to remember the topics easily. The infrastructure and atmosphere of the academy is really good. The experienced faculty, conceptual teaching and doubt clarifying sessions have really helped me a lot in building my concepts. I am proud to be the student of Vishesh Academy of Commerce, and all I can say is join Vishesh and see the difference.